Hello everyone. Let us try to understand the question. There is a system and the system is reaching from point P, here it will be volume, sorry, from point P to point Q. P is a stable equilibrium state and Q is also stable equilibrium state of a system. So it is a system is reaching from P to Q through path 1. This is path 1, and through path 2 also it is reaching the Q position. While it is reaching from P to Q through path 1, the heat given to the system is 1000 joules. So dQ is equal to plus 1000 joules. Work done by the system along the path 1 is more than path 2 by 100 joules. It means that dW through path 1 is equal to dW through path 2 plus 100 joules. Now they asked us to find out what is the exchange or heat exchange by the system in path 2. dQ into is equal to question mark. This is the question. See, try to understand the question. P is one stable state of a system. Q is also another stable state of a system. The system reaches from P state to Q state through two paths. Path 1, name this path as path 1 and name this path as path 2. Okay. So now while going from P to Q through path 1, heat energy given to the system is 1000 joules and the work done by the system through path 1 is 100 joules more than the work done through path 2. Now what is the heat energy given to the system while the system attains the Q position through path 2? That is the question. Okay. To solve this question, you need to have an idea that change in internal energy du depends only on temperature. Du depends only on temperature. It is not dependent upon path. Change in internal energy only depends upon temperature. It don't depend upon the path. So from P to Q when you go, the change in internal energy through path 1 take it as du1. From P to Q when you go, change in internal energy through path 2 take it as du2. So you went from path 1 to path 2 and it is independent of path. So as it is independent of path, du1 will be is equal to du2. Change in internal energy of the system through any path it will be same because you are reaching the same stable position at the end. Now remember this one, du1 is equal to du2. Now what can we write? We can write dq1 is equal to du1 plus dw1. dq1 we know it is 1000 joules is equal to du1 plus dw1 is given as dw2 plus 100 joules. Now come to second path. In second path what can we write? We can write dq2 is equal to du2 plus dw2. Okay, we have to find dq2. dq2 is equal to du2 I can write it as du1 plus dw2. From here I can write du1 is equal to dq2 minus dw2. du1 is equal to dq2 minus dw2. Substitute this du1 here. You will get 1000 joules is equal to du1 is dq2 minus dw2. Instead of du1, dq2 minus dw2. This du1 is this much now. Afterwards, plus dw2 plus 100 joules. Minus dW2 plus dW2 cancels. What is remaining? This 100 joules I'll send that side. It becomes 1000 joules minus 100 joules is equal to dQ2. So which implies dQ2 will be is equal to 900 joules. Okay. Thank you.